I got another video showing you how I created this cool brand for another business in Sydney. So it was for a company called Rosebuds Inclusive. They basically are a disability service. So Australia has NDIS, or New South Wales in Sydney, they have NDIS. Overall, they wanted it to look professional. They wanted to be neutral, not too masculine or feminine, and be, modern as well. And they wanted to appeal to a broad range of audience because they service a lot of people from like children to like seniors. So that was one of the key things. And so here was the competitor. So basically, I looked at the competitors. They were using a lot of Life Care, was like using red and like navy color, dark colors, and blue and red for the other one as well. You had this West Haven one which was like nice and friendly with their font. And then you had this other one, Heritage Disability Service, which I feel like their logo is a bit outdated. And the colors look a bit more feminine with the purple there. So we wanted to avoid this. Now, I'm just going to go through the mood boards that I created. Mood board 1 was neutral professional. So this one, I wanted to capture more of a minimal, clean, simple tone with the earthy tones, the white colors, a lot of white space, more of the logo, making it a bit more friendly, lowercase, kind of cute a little bit, but still like modern. And you can see I just put some of the like taglines, and the values was like care, dignity, and respect. And that's why I put that there, just to put the values in there. Did an example of how a logo could look like, iconic abstract shape. So the logo is going to be like that style, but have like lowercase. And then the icons on the bottom, I really like these simple filled icons, showing some imagery in the bottom right with the inspired images. And then a website example at the top, which I got from Landbook. And I really like this, the white space, images on the right, and then simple call to action on the left. So this was mood board 1. Then we had mood board 2, which is confident care. This one using more monoline, bold strokes. So as you can see with the logo, really liked that one with the blooming rose, because obviously the company is called Rosebuds. They wanted to have a rose, it's just pretty simple. And I really liked this icon here. Thought this was really cool. And then using a bit of a salmon pinky reddy color, it stands out a bit more, showing more imagery here of like couples, two people together, like helping each other, like for example, the carer, or it could be like two friends hanging out, make it more friendly, and then keeping it clean as well, but just maybe making it a bit different with the images and the text. Clean sans serif font. Bold black icons with just strokes. This time, no fills. They went with this one, Confident Care. And then so from that, I went into doing some designs. So basically, you can see here, here's the file. It's a bit messy with all these icons and stuff that I grabbed. But I created sort of the example of how the website could look like, because that was going to be the main thing. So here's an example of the website. So I used this beige color. I didn't want it to be too white because it feels a bit stale. So I like using the beige color. It works well with the red, good contrast, and then brown for the text. So that was really nice. I like this duotone effect that I did, and then put the images inside of these squares, rounded squares, makes it look nice. And then I thought of having these icons here at the bottom, like the services. And you can see how it translates to the DL flyer, using some of the icon, the logo element, as you can see there, icons, and then had some business card stuff going on here, and the design file here, and an example of a Facebook flyer. So you can see this is just how a working file that you just go in here. It's messy and just playing with ideas. And then here's what I presented. So you can see breaking down the project goals, positioning statement. As you can see, brand values, target audience. As I said, it's very vast and broad. Came up with some taglines and slogans. You can see helping you blue with care, flourish with care, dignity, care every step. So just very simple things. This is what we went for, as you can see, more refined, mature, and modern. And then I went into the design. So here was the concept 1. So you can see I created this blooming rose, a thick rose with a love heart in the middle. So that was my idea. So represent love, and then the bloom is growth and care and stuff like that. So keeping it really simple. As you can see, it's a heart, rosebud, and then flourish with the leaves expanding out, growth. And as you can see, some ideas here. You got the text, you got the one with the icon, different versions. We've got the fonts here, using this nice serif font. Feels elegant but still modern, not too many details. You got the color palette here. I created this gradient, which I liked. Then you got dunes and brown, gave some nice names to it. And you can see the mock-ups, how it looks like. T-shirt as well. And you can see logo direction 2. So these was having 2 rosebuds together. So no love heart, but it's just showing togetherness, and leaves and stem showing support, a support system, having 2 roses. So simple design, but works really well. And then you can see the assets, created 2 different patterns on the different directions. The icons here, Facebook banner example, flyer example. and then showed it 2 comments with the competitors there. So you can see it's very different. So basically from that, we jumped into just doing a revision. So I refined the business cards, the banner and the flyer, as you can see. And then eventually I created the website, which is here. I'll just quickly refresh it so I can show you. So create this cool website in Framer, which is awesome. And you can see as you scroll, creates this cool effect, which is a nice little addition. Got the About Us, this little card here. And this site is live. You can check it out, rosebuds.inclusive.com.au. Created the services. So we've got all these images. We ended up changing the icons services that you saw in the original design, and we changed the design just to do like 2 columns. On mobile, on tablet, it's 3 columns for this section. So they really love these. They love the images. And then you've got this section, who we help. You can see a little animations as it comes in. You got the values. You got some more information about NDIS with the link. Then you got contact details and the map, which I thought was just keeping it simple. And then some other details on the side there. And then you've got this menu here. Really simple, really cool. I liked how it turned out. The design did change from the original design, but that's fine. And so this is how you design a identity for a disability service. And yeah, it's just good to be versatile, flexible. That's my type of style. I can do basically any project, because design is the same process for no matter what brand it is, what business. It has the same process, but you can get different results. Overall, I feel like, yeah, this is good, and it's going to appeal to Aussies that need this service. If you do want to learn more about branding, I do have a new course, Branding for Beginners. You can actually click the link below in the description and check it out. It's a short course, under an hour video course on this app called Quaqua. It's really fun, engaging, and I'm sure you'll like it. You can definitely check it out. Use my code SAVE25 to save 25% on that. Hope you enjoy it. And if you do want to watch another video just like this, I do have another video that shows the logo process for another client project I worked on. Cheers.